Today I'm gonna do a video of how to do headlight restoration. So this is what we got. You see how those headlights are like really yellow looking? I'm about to clean it up. Say hi, Alexis.
Hi.
Hey. And these are the tools that I'm gonna use today. Got a V36 and V32 grip, 3000 and 2000. Alright, cool. So look, check it out. So right here, what I'm doing, I'm sending down the whole headlight with the grip 2000. I'm gonna do the whole headlight, take out all that bad stuff, all that yellowish nasty stuff that was on the headlight. So I'm just, watering it down with water. That's just regular water, sending it down, wet sanding. So what I'm trying to do is just sand it down until like I get rid of all that white stuff, nasty yellow stuff, whatever. Ta-da! Whoa, look how clean that looks. Super clean already. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab the grip 3000. This is a way finer sander, and I'm gonna do the same thing, go through the same process, wet sand it, spray it around, and then I just start taking it out. There's my son helping me out real quick. So, okay, so let's just go through it real quick. You see all that white stuff? That's all the stuff you want to get rid of. You want to make sure that when you're done sanding it down, you don't see no more of that stuff. That's when you know that you're cleaning it real good. Alright, so there you go. Look, Jam's cleaning it up. Hey, alright, so look at that compared to that. Whoa, look how yellow that looks. Look how nasty. And then look at this. It has fine scratches on it, but it's alright. Right now we'll come back with the polisher and make some magic. Look at the difference already. Alright, so now I'm gonna come with the V32. I got the green pad. Just put some little dots of it. Put it around the surface. Usually you would prep the spot, like you would prep it around, like you would put tape around it. That way you don't damage other places in the car. But I just did it like that, just for fun. Okay, so right there I'm just spreading it. I'm at level 1. Just spreading it. Spread it, spread. And then we're gonna move up to level 6. So we're just gonna keep spreading it. And then now, once I'm in level 6, that's when it's making the magic. You see how it's looking super clean already? Look at that. Super clean. Alright, so yeah, so my son was the one that was recording. It's all good. We're all getting creative together, making a little project. But look at that already. So that's with the V32 right there. Look how clean that looks. You don't see no more of those scratches that I did with the wet sand. It looks super clean. Now I'm gonna come in with the V36. I'm gonna change up the pads. I'm gonna put the white one, that's like the finisher one, and I'm gonna come in with the V36. Shake it up a bit. Same process, add some little dots. Oh, there's my dad checking it out. That's his car. I hooked them up real quick. Alright, so then again, just spread it around. And we're gonna start at level 1. See, look, ta-da. Alright, so just spread it at level 1. That's the lowest speed. And then just spread. And then we're gonna move on to level 6. Look at that. You see that one pass right there? Look at that. That already looks super clean. It's like a brand new headlight. Wow. Okay, so let's just continue. Alright, so now I'm coming in with the wax. As you can see, I'm using All Chemical Guys product. I started watching their videos, and to be honest, their product is pretty good. It's legit, smells good and everything. But I mean, to be honest, you can use any product you want. I think it's all the same thing. So look at that. So I just spread a little bit of wax on it. And look at that. Super clean. Too clean. Look at that. Look at the comparison. There goes my little helpers.